Have you ever wondered why two people can experience the same event but walk away with entirely different impressions? It's because our perception shapes our reality. Our unique lens on the world influences how we interpret and react to everything around us. This video will explore the fascinating interplay between perception and reality, delving into how our mindset can influence our experiences. Our perspective, the way we see and understand the world, plays a pivotal role in shaping our reality. Imagine standing at the edge of a cliff, looking down at a vast, rocky canyon. Your heart races and a sense of exhilaration washes over you. Now, consider someone else standing in the same spot, paralyzed by fear, unable to appreciate the breathtaking view. Same place, different perspectives, vastly different realities. Our experiences significantly impact how we perceive the world. If you've had positive interactions with dogs throughout your life, you will likely view them as friendly and approachable. On the other hand, if you've had a traumatic encounter with a dog, your perception of all dogs may be tainted by fear. It's as if our past experiences cast shadows on our present reality, coloring everything we encounter. Have you ever found yourself in a heated argument, only to realize later that the disagreement was rooted in differing perceptions of the same situation? This common scenario illustrates how perception can distort reality and lead to conflict. Each person involved brings unique experiences, biases, and beliefs, which can create miscommunication and misunderstanding. Understanding that our perception shapes our reality is the first step towards fostering empathy. Recognizing that others may see the world differently makes us more open to their perspectives. Empathy allows us to bridge gaps, resolve conflicts, and build meaningful connections with others. Good perception is akin to a pair of magical glasses that can transform the world around us. It is the lens through which we filter the experiences and events that shape our lives. When our perception is aligned with positivity, it can illuminate the darkest corners of our existence, casting a warm and inviting glow on our path. With good perception, setbacks become growth opportunities, obstacles become stepping stones, and challenges transform into adventures. It is the foundation of resilience, the fuel for optimism, and the key to a fulfilling life. In essence, good perception is the art of finding the silver lining in every cloud, and when we master this art, life becomes not just a journey but a joyful and transformative odyssey. Here are 3 ways to improve your perception. Number 1. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness involves paying deliberate attention to the present moment without judgment. You can become more aware of your thoughts, emotions, and surroundings through mindfulness meditation and daily mindfulness exercises. This heightened awareness can help you recognize and challenge negative or biased perceptions, allowing for a more balanced view of reality. Number 2. Seek diverse perspectives. Surround yourself with a diverse group of people, personally and professionally. Engaging with individuals from various backgrounds, cultures, and viewpoints exposes you to different ways of thinking and challenges your preconceived notions. This broadens your perspective and encourages empathy, making seeing the world through others' eyes easier. Number 3. Develop critical thinking skills. Critical thinking involves analyzing, evaluating, and questioning information and assumptions. It helps you discern fact from fiction, recognize biases, and make well-informed decisions. Engage in activities that promote critical thinking, such as reading, debating, or solving complex problems. This will sharpen your analytical skills and improve your ability to perceive situations objectively. Our perception shapes our reality in intricate and sometimes surprising ways. It's a reminder of the complexity of the human mind and the subjectivity of our experiences. By acknowledging the role of perception in our lives, we can approach the world with greater empathy, curiosity, and an openness to diverse perspectives. After all, the kaleidoscope of reality is far richer when we take the time to appreciate how it can be viewed. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.